Hello esteemed dentists. Today we'll discuss about the Waldent Schuster Class B autoclave. A high quality 23-liter steam sterilizer designed to meet the needs of clinics, hospitals and laboratories. As a user-friendly device, it ensures reliable sterilization results, making it an essential tool for your practice. Firstly, let's explore the features of Waldent Schuster Class B autoclave. Pre-vacuum steam sterilization. The advanced 3 times pre-vacuum technology ensures hot steam penetration in thin tubes and porous materials, providing efficient sterilization for a wide range of instruments. The sterilizer's computerized system offers real-time data display during sterilization cycle, ensuring accurate and reliable results. It has a 23-liter chamber with inner dimensions of 249 by 450 mm and has clean water tank capacity of 3.5 liters. The sterilization temperature ranges from 121 degrees Celsius to 134 degrees Celsius, and the sterilization pressure ranges from 100 to 240 kilopascals. Waldent Schuster Autoclave has 6 sterilization programs and 2 testing programs, allowing for a versatile range of applications. Now we'll see different parts of this autoclave. Starting from the front, here we have doorknob. This is control panel. Coming to this side, we have 5 buttons. Left button, which also serves as a menu button. Down button, up button, right button to confirm the sterilization program. If you want to halt the cycle immediately, press and hold right button for 5 seconds. Upon seeing cancel, press the confirm button again to terminate the cycle. And this is confirm button to start the program. On the right side of the autoclave, we have a USB port. And on the left side, we have the power switch, printer, used and clean water outlets. On the top, we have clean water tank. Finally, in the back, we can see power socket to connect power cord, air circuit breaker. Here inside, we have double cooling fan. This is safety release, airbag, and air filter. There are trays and tray racks in the chamber. In the chamber, we can also observe temperature sensors and drainage filter. Next, we'll explore how to operate and utilize Waldent Schuster autoclave effectively. Firstly, start by connecting the power cord to the power socket and switch on the air circuit breaker. Pour distilled water into the tank. In the tank, we can see water quality sensor, water level sensor and water filter. By switching on the power button, the unit will enter into the self-test mode, which takes around 10 seconds for self-testing. If the pressure value is more than 10 kilopascal, perform pressure correction. If the pressure value shows around 0 kilopascal, we can proceed ahead. Open the door and place instrument securely in the chamber. Remember, do not open the door during the sterilization cycle. Press the left button to enter the main menu. You will see 10 icons: Program, Date and Time, Language, Screensaver, Insulation, Dry, Water Sense, Timing, Setup, and Home. Select the program icon and then press the confirm button. Now different cycles will show up. Press the up and down buttons to select the cycle. There are a total of 8 programs, 6 sterilization programs and 2 testing programs. Select the cycle which you want to use. Here we are using a 134 degrees Celsius Class B sterilization cycle. And then press the confirm button to enter the cycle. In the display screen, we can see the sterilization cycle name, the Waldent brand logo, working diagram, working status, sterilization pressure, temperature, date, total time and the time of current step. And here we can see some more icons, like this is door lock icon. In this section, we can see the 4 icons. First is clean water tank status. If it is green, it shows the tank is full, and if it is red, it shows the tank is empty. Second icon is used water tank status. If it is green, it shows used water tank is empty. And if it is red, it shows used water tank is full. Next is water quality icon. If it is green, it shows standard water quality. And if it is red, it shows poor water quality. And this last one is USB status icon. If it is green, it shows that the USB is connected. And if it is gray, it shows that USB is not connected. Press the right button for 3 seconds and the start prompt will appear on the screen. Press the confirm button to start the cycle. Similarly, different cycles have different sterilization times. There are following phases of sterilization: preheating followed by vacuum, then heating, second time vacuum, again heating, third final time vacuum, final heating, sterilization, exhausting, drying, and balance or return period. At the end, display will show open the door with an alarming sound. Do not open the door till the pressure is less than 10 kPa. If the pressure level is correct, then open the door and unload the instruments from the chamber. After completing the sterilization cycle, it is important to verify the efficacy of the process. The Waldent Schuster autoclave comes equipped with built-in printer to provide tangible record of the sterilization cycle. Simply access the printed results, which details essential information such as cycle duration, temperature, and pressure levels. Additionally, this data is automatically saved onto a pen drive connected to the autoclave's USB port, ensuring convenient storage and accessibility for future reference. Once the instruments have been safely removed, it's time to drain the clean and used water from the autoclave. To do this, insert the supply drain tube into the designated clean and used water drain port. The water will flow out automatically as soon as you attach the drain tube. Ensure that both the clean and used water tanks are properly emptied to maintain optimal performance and hygiene. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more informative content. Wishing you a successful and sterilization safe dental practice.